Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and studying well. So, children, it's time for the science class. Hope you all are very excited to do the science class for today. So, I'm your teacher, Priyanka Raj Bhandari, with a topic today. This topic has been done already. Okay, so half of the portion has been completed about this chapter. Today we will do the remaining half. So today the day is Saturday and it is 9th of October 2020. So children, we are doing chapter 8, body system, in which we have learned few system like digestive system we have completed, circulatory system we have completed, respiratory system we have completed, and excretory system we have done. Yes, so in today's class we will learn more about body system. So let us see what is the first system we will learn. So the first system we will learn is the respiratory system. So in the picture you can see the organs which are associated with the respiratory system. Okay, larynx, trachea, your nose from where you take in air, and your lungs. These are the main organs for the respiratory system. So let us see one by one what is respiratory system. So the respiratory system helps in the exchange of gases. The respiratory or breathing system helps to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So respiratory system, children, it helps in the exchange of gases. Exchange, you know that we take in air and we throw out the waste air. That means it helps in the breathing, that is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So we breathe in air through nose. The trachea or windpipe takes this air down to the lungs. So children, we breathe in air through the nose. You can see in the picture also. Yes, we breathe in air through the nose, and the windpipe or trachea, it takes down air to the lungs. The air we breathe in is rich in oxygen, and the air we breathe out has more carbon dioxide and germs. So the waste air which we breathe out, it is full of carbon dioxide, germs, and it also contains some water vapor. So oxygen is important for life. In order to remain healthy, it is important to get a steady supply of this life gas. So we know that oxygen is very much important for our life. So children, in order to remain healthy, it is important to get steady, means continuously supply of this life gas. So oxygen, here oxygen has been referred to life gas because it is very important gas or air in our life. So some healthy breathing habits, children, we will learn here. Always exercise in the open where there are many trees around. Always breathe through your nose because the nose has fine air that help to catch the dust and the germs. So when you are breathing, children, you have to always, when you breathe through your nose, okay, and you have to exhale through your mouth, because there are fine hairs in the nose, inside our nose. You know that inside our nostrils there are fine hairs that help to catch dust and germs. And whenever you are exercising, you have to exercise in the open where there are many trees around. So some healthy breathing habits, there are few more points. Always keep doors and windows open for a supply of fresh air so that the fresh air may come in, and don't cover your face while sleeping. You will not cover your face while sleeping. Now children, next type of system, you can see the next type of system is the nervous system, which is very important system of your body. And you can see in the image that different nerves, yes, and brain, spinal cords are the organs which are associated with the nervous system. So let us take a look to the nervous system. Our sense organs and nerves help to carry messages to the brain about things happening around us. Nerves are Nerves are wire-like structures in our body. So our sense organs and the nerves, yes, it helps to carry messages to the brain. And what are nerves? These are wire-like structures. You can see in the picture that if you're touching something, electric like ripples and electric pulses are going up to the brain. So this signal is carried by nerves. Okay, so these are wire-like structures inside our body. So the brain controls all the organs of the body by sending signals to our network of nerves and a thick cord known as spinal cord, which passes through the bone. The nerves along with the brain and the spinal cord make up the nervous system. So children, the brain controls all the organs of our body. We know that it controls all the organs of our body, and the signals are sent through the network of nerves, many nerves, and the thick cord, that is spinal cord, which is present inside our backbone, right? So it is present in the backbone. So the nerves along with the brain and the spinal cord make up the nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system is the system where the nerves along with the brain and spinal cord make the system. Okay. So the function of our nervous system is it helps us to think, act and learn. Obviously, a nervous system, it helps us to think. Yes, what we are thinking, we think through our brain, and it helps us to act what we are doing and to learn. Whatever you are memorizing, it is done by the nervous system. It carries messages to different parts. So it also carries messages, whatever the brain is thinking, the messages are carried through the nerves and spinal cord to the different parts of our body. Now the next system we will do, children, is excretory system. So the excretory system is the system which throws the waste out of our body. You know that there are so many unwanted things which are not required to the body. Some of them are thrown through the anus in our digestive system, but there are other excretory products which are thrown outside our body with the help of excretory system. So the main organ of excretory system is kidney. You can see in the picture. So the system that helps us to throw or excrete waste product is known as excretory system. The organs that help to do this work are kidneys, lungs and skin. So the main organs of excretory systems are kidneys, lungs and skin. So the waste product are thrown out of the kidneys, lungs and skin in the form of urine, carbon dioxide and sweat respectively. So the waste product which are thrown away from the kidneys is urine, through the skin is sweat, and through our lungs is carbon dioxide. So the system which helps us to throw the waste product from our body is known as excretory system. So hope till here everyone is clear. So children, this is the fascinating fact about human body. Let us read this one. Just like fingerprints, everyone has different tongue prints also. You know that there are fingerprints in our fingers. Yes, so that is very helpful for our identification. Like our fingerprints, everyone also has different tongue prints. We have different tongue prints also. Over the course of just one day, our blood runs the distance of 19,312 kilometers. You know that our bloods are continuously flowing through our body. So in one day, it can run up to the distance of 19,312 kilometers, which is very, very, very long distance. On average, right-handed people live up to 9 years longer than lefties. So it is proved that right-handed people live up to 9 years longer than the lefties. Our fingers don't contain a single muscle. So our finger, which is our reader's fingers, it doesn't contain a single muscle. In camera terms, the human eyes is about 576 megapixels. So along in camera terms, our eye is so much clear that it is 576 megapixels. So hope you all enjoyed the fact of our human body. So I will see you in the next class, children. Hope you are clear with this chapter. If there is any problem, you can contact me. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, everyone.